Hours to go for the campaigning to conclude. Arvind Kejriwal levelling a big charge on the Bharatiya Janata Party, claiming Aam Aadmi Party workers are being attacked by goons. Arvind Kejriwal says, I quote him here, campaigning vans are being vandalized by the goons. Day after, remember, he'd written to the Election Commission over the attacks that he's claiming are, whether it's women workers or others of the Aam Aadmi Party, are being harassed, are being targeted by the BJP, and that Election Commission needs to take this into consideration. Election Commission had said there have to be officially registered complaint for any action to be taken. Kejriwal says EC has surrendered to the BJP.
तो इस देश का वो कौन गुंडा है, वो कौन गुंडों का सरदार है जिसको देश के सारे गुंडे रिपोर्ट करते हैं? जनता पूछ रही है कि वो कौन गुंडा है जिसे किसी संस्था का डर नहीं है। पिछले 3-4 दिन से हम देख रहे हैं कि गाड़ियों के ऊपर हमले किए गए, गाड़ियां तोड़ दी गई आम आदमी पार्टी की, कई सारे मटेरियल जब्त कर लिया गया, तरह तरह से हमले किए जा रहे हैं। तो अब जनता ने मन बना लिया, बाकी सारी चीजें एक तरफ, इस बार इनकी गुंडई को हराना है। अब ये क्लियर हो गया है कि अगर डबल इंजन की सरकार आ गई है तो डबल इंजन कुचल देगा सब लोगों को, बख्शेगा नहीं। अपने पहियों के नीचे ये डबल इंजन सारी जनता को, गरीबों को, मिडिल क्लास को कुचल देगा ये इंजन। तो लोगों ने मन बना लिया है कि अगर चुनाव के पहले इन लोगों का ये हाल है, जब इन्हें हमसे वोट चाहिए, चुनाव के बाद तो ये हम लोगों को कुचल देंगे। तो इस बार लोगों के पास दो ऑप्शन है, एक तरफ शरीफों की पार्टी है और एक तरफ खुलेआम गुंडागर्दी चल रही है।
My colleague Amit Bhardwaj joins me now. Amit, very interesting that while of course targeting expectedly other parties, he's charging at the Election Commission, but why?
Pooja, the Aam Aadmi Party and its chief Arvind Kejriwal are of the view that while violence is being perpetrated against its workers across the national capital, the Delhi police is standing mute spectator to these cases of violence. And he has quoted instances such as the campaign van being attacked, women supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party being threatened, and all such claims have been made by Aam Aadmi Party and its chief Arvind Kejriwal as well. Yesterday we had seen that videos being shared. Now he's making this argument that if such cases are happening, why is the Election Commission of India not acting against the violence that is being perpetrated? And he has also gone on to claim that it seems that Election Commission of India does not exist anymore. And yet again, Arvind Kejriwal has attacked CEC Rajiv Kumar, saying that it is what kind of the post-retirement post that the CEC Rajiv Kumar is looking for, and because of which he might be ignoring all such cases of violence that's being perpetrated and against Aam Aadmi Party workers, and the voters are being threatened by the BJP. That's what Arvind Kejriwal said. So in the past 1 week, this is the third time when Arvind Kejriwal has, targeted CEC Rajiv Kumar. First, it was in a PC where he claimed that the CEC is looking for a post-retirement job or a post because of which he's compromising with the Election Commission of India's responsibilities. Then it was in his letter that he had sent to ECI in response to the notice that was served to him by the Election Commission of India. And eventually today he has again trained guns at CEC Rajiv Kumar. So not only he's targeting the BJP, claiming that AAP workers are being harassed, threatened and attacked, but he's also
very clearly this is a direct charge of the CEC. We'll wait if the CEC responds to this, saying, are you preparing for a post-retirement position as well? Targeting the CEC, saying, why are you not taking action against the BJP?